Well, the building still ain't clean. Ugh. That's one of my things. Well, I'm not even going to make any New Year's resolutions because I can't keep any. It's impossible to keep a New Year's resolution. So, yeah. I'm not even going to say what I'm thinking because it'll just get me in trouble. We'll go ahead and start this thing up. Let it warm up for a little bit. Well, that's what I got for Christmas. This Milwaukee M18 hasn't had a fresh tube of grease in it. You can see it to the right of the screen there. My right, your left, whichever. But yeah, I hope I'm gonna like it. The main reason why I bought the thing is because of this grease counter, so I don't over grease stuff. It goes all the way up to, I think, 9. No, it still keeps going. Holy cow, or holy grease. So that's one good thing. It's got a two-speed gearbox, one for really pushing the grease, and 2 for fast flow. It's got a LED light there, as you can see. I already put the battery in. I left it charged all day yesterday and all day, or all day Saturday and all day, yesterday. So I guess we will take this apart. But first, what you gotta do, you gotta pull this. Oh. Me gonna take this loose. No. You gotta take that loose. And then, what's funny looking grease? That must be packaging grease. Oh. So then there, the tube or the handle will go sideways to allow it to be locked in to the use position. And then so I'm gonna lay that there. Then take the bottom of this tube here off. We'll go ahead and shove this in there. Take this other end off here, this like a pop can lid. Go ahead and stick it there. I'm gonna let that here to prime with. And then I guess if everything goes the way it should, you take this, you screw him back in there. Now what I've always done with them DeWalt's is you unscrew. Uh-oh. I might have just screwed this thing up. Okay, so white rod. Uh-oh. Maybe the rod will suck itself back in. Let's see. Oh, it's got this little button here. You're supposed to push. How long you're supposed to push it for? Till. Oh, shoot. Okay, there's the grease right there. Okay. So, yes. I don't know what the heck I was doing wrong, but it moves ever so freely, like that. I think it should work. Okay, there's grease. There. Being a new tube, it just had to take a little bit to get the grease to come out. Okay, now I feel better. Because the grease had to go all the way up through the hose here and out and everything, and it just took a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna put some grease in this loader here with my new grease gun, okay? Let's see, this ain't really a good spot to put it. Heck with it. It's going there. I'm not too sure what I think about this holder here yet. It doesn't really... I see why they put it here, is for this thing to hit that there. But it's just not... It won't fit in here unless this... Oh, you know what? Maybe that's how it's supposed to go? I don't... I don't know. Maybe. But, I mean, this thing has got an insanely long hose on it. I'm not sure what to think of the grease coupler. Let me see. I want to set this, say, to 4 or to 3. Okay. What's that? I guess. Let's move up to a more noticeable fitting, which would be this guy up here. Did that even do anything? Let's see, 3. Maybe? I guess? I don't know. Maybe? So the first thing I did with this thing is I took it all the way up to like 6 pumps. Oh, come on here. Don't make me get my hands all dirty. Okay. So I'll put you guys down because I gotta have light to shine on those down there to grease those. Yeah, I don't know if 6 pumps is enough for these fittings or not. I really don't know. I kind of feel like it is. And then I kind of feel like it's not. But, you know, I don't know. You guys let me know that have the older style John Deere skid loaders like we do, let me know if 6 pumps is too much or not enough in these older loaders, because I really don't know. I really don't know. John Deere could have done these a little bit differently, but this is basically just a New Holland L553 machine. Is all the more that this thing is. Somewhere right there should be a grease fitting. Let's see. You guys there? Come on. Sure I clean my end off, because I am fussy about dirt stuff getting into grease fittings or whatever. Let's see, take my light here. This thing is definitely hard to grease by yourself. I don't care what anybody says, it just is. So kind of wish this GoPro had a light on it, but it don't. It's just one of them things where it takes time to get after stuff like that. Well, I feel better now knowing that the thing got grease. Maybe from now on, what I'm gonna try and do is when, because I've heard some guys say that they grease their machine. Oh, it's just the grease there that I dripped off the fitting. But I don't see no grease coming out there. But that, I guess, is a good thing. Maybe. But, yeah, I don't see the grease coming out anywhere. So, that up there is greased. So, yeah, I'll try and do a better job of greasing this thing 2022. I mean, it's a good old loader. I don't have any gripes about it. Oh, that's something I could have bought Dad for Christmas, was a new seat for this thing, but that'll have to come next year. So, yeah. Grease is cheaper than parts. We'll just put it that way. So this is one reason why we put these black plastic sleeves on this hay, on these round bales, is because, well, as you can see, we don't have nowheres indoors to put them, and it helps keep the hay nice and dry. Somewhat, provided they don't have any rips or tears or cuts in them. But you know, when there's a cut or something, you just flip it to the bottom side, the sleeve, roll it to the bottom side. So it's bath time for the skid loader. It needs it. We'll probably do an oil change too while it's in the shop. I'm not sure, but now'd be a good time to do it. It depends how many hours it has. I think it's got like 3,600 or something.